Question number 4, showing all necessary working. Solve the equation e to the x plus e to the minus x over e to the x plus 1 is equal to 4, giving your answer correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, so we're going to solve this, and this is going to go equal to e to the x plus e to the minus x is equal to 4 times e to the x plus 1. So e to the x plus 1 over e to the x is equal to 4e to the x plus 4. E to the x is e to the 2x plus 1 is equal to e to the x times here is 4e to the 2x. 4 times e to the x is 4e to the x. So 4e to the x minus e to the 2x, to the 2x minus e to the 2x plus 4e to the x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 3e to the 2x plus 4e to the x minus 1 is equal to 0. We're saying 3e to the x square plus 4e to the x minus 1 is equal to 0. That's a quadratic equation. So we can say 3e to the x times e to the x. You've got minus 1 here, so maybe we can put 1 and 1, and we have to get plus 4 here. So how are we going to do this? If I say minus 3 plus minus minus plus, so that's not working. So what we're going to do, let 3e to the x is equal to y. I've got then therefore 3y squared plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. We're going to use the formula. So y is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of b squared, 4 to the square minus 4ac, 4 times 3 times minus 1 over 2a, 2 times 3. So y is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root. 16 minus minus is plus. 4 times 3 is 12, times 1 is 12. So 16 plus 12 is 28 divided by 6. And I get y is equal to so minus 4 plus root of 28, okay, divided by 6, and that's going to give me 0.21625 and so on. The negative one is rejected, so what I'm going to say is e to the x is equal to 0.216. So x ln e is equal to ln 0.216, x is equal to ln 0.216, x is equal to, remember ln e is 1, so that's okay. And therefore ln of the answer minus 1.5, 3, 5, 9 and so on. So I can say x is equal to minus 1.5, 3, 6 to 3 decimal places.